Today we were working on Chapter 7, Lesson 8, and it's subtracting with renaming. So one of the ways that we learned to do this today was to change the top fraction from a mixed number to a mixed number with a fraction greater than 1. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to change this fraction, okay? So I'm going to rewrite it over here, okay? It's going to be the same thing. What I taught my students was that 5 and 1/4, it has this little invisible plus sign in between it. So 5 and 1/4 is the same as 5 plus 1/4, okay? So the way that you change it is you're going to take your 5, you're going to send it to the hair salon to get their hair done, and they're going to get their hair colored. So that way they look different, but it's still the same number, right? So they get their hair done, and they look like this now, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is still 5, it just looks different, okay? And then we still have the 1/4 attached to it, okay? The next thing you do is you want to change this 1 to be a fraction, so that way you can add it to this 4. So now I have 4 plus 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So what I'm going to do is really quickly, I want to circle this 5 with the blue, and I'm going to circle the 4 plus the 1 with the blue. So that way you can see where the blues are, those are the same numbers, okay? Now I'm going to put a little red box around my 1 and a red box around my 4 over 4. So that way you can see that those are the same numbers, okay? 5 went to the hair salon, got its hair colored. Now it just looks different, but it's the same number, okay? Now that this is a fraction, I can add these two together, okay? So 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 5 over 4. And then I still have my whole number 4, okay? So now what's going to happen is this mixed number is going to replace this mixed number. So we're going to cross out this one, and we're going to write 4 and 5/4, okay? 4 and 5/4. It's the same thing. It just went to the salon, changed the color, and now it looks different, okay? Now we have a fraction that's much easier to subtract because we could subtract 5/4 from 3/4. Earlier, we could not subtract 1/4 from 3/4. So 5/4 minus 3/4 is 2/4. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is my final answer.